A very good evening to all of you present out there. I would like to extend a warm welcome to all the viewers out there who is associated with the Renault Enoch Trading Private Limited. So first of all, we are very glad to say that we have 15,000 Facebook followers in our page, and we would like to extend a warm gratitude to all our viewers out there for your support. So due to the current pandemic, ladies and gentlemen, we were not able to gather together, but definitely we are together here for the digital launch of Renault Tribum AMT. So as we all know that we all have gathered here for the launch of Renault Tribum, to grace this occasion, ladies and gentlemen, we have amongst us our esteemed chief guest. I would like to call upon our Managing Director, Mr. Mithun Chowter. I would also like to call upon our business head, Mr. Rizwan sir. I would also like to call upon our service head, that is Arvind sir. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to say that darkness cannot drive darkness, only the light can do that. So to do the auspicious lighting the lamp ceremony, we have amongst us our esteemed chief guest over here. So let us now symbolically inaugurate the event by lighting the lamp. Well, ladies and gentlemen, as I already told you all that we all have gathered here for the digital launch of Renault Tribum AMT car. First of all, I would like to tell you all that we all have gathered here for the launch. Along with that, ladies and gentlemen, you have the chance of winning an exciting prizes and goodies from the team Renault. So to know more about the car, I would request you all to kindly stay tuned and watch further. And definitely we have come to the moment we all were eagerly waiting for, and now it is time, ladies and gentlemen, to see the features of the new car. That is, here we are going to launch the new Renault Tribum AMT. I would like to request all the esteemed guests to kindly come forward and unveil the Renault Tribum AMT car. Well friends, at this occasion, we have the pride owners of this brand new Renault Tribum AMT car, and I would like to call upon the names of the pride owners of this. I would like to call upon Mr. Prakash BT. I request the esteemed guest to kindly hand over the key for the pride owner of this brand new car, Renault Tribum AMT. So congratulations, sir, on your new car. I would also like to call upon Mr. Prakash Narayan, sir. Congratulations to you also, sir, for being the pride owner of this brand new car. I once again request the chief guest to kindly hand over the key with the pride of the brand new car, Renault Tribum AMT. Thank you so much. We also have one more pride owner, that is Jeevan Mohan Das Shetty. I request her also to come forward and collect the key of the brand new car. So congratulations to you also, sir. Well, ladies and gentlemen, now that we have officially launched the Renault Tribum AMT car, I'm sure all of you are definitely excited to watch this car with the new feature. So you all can walk down, but since due to the pandemic we were not able to gather together, but definitely you shall have a look of the car very soon. And now, ladies and gentlemen, in this beautiful occasion we have launched the car, and we have to definitely celebrate this by cutting the cake. So hence we are going to have a cake cutting ceremony with all you viewers along with us. We, Renault Enoch Private Trading Limited, are here with the celebration of cake cutting. I would also like to call upon the pride owners of this brand new car, Renault Tribum AMT, also to be a part of this celebration. I would like to call upon Mr. Prakash sir, Mr. Jeevan sir, and also Prakash sir once again to be a part of this celebration as they own this brand new Renault Tribum AMT car. So to all the viewers out there, let us all celebrate this moment by cutting the cake. So congratulations once again to all the pride owners of this brand new car. Well, thank you so much for being a part of this celebration, and once again congratulations to all of you. So thank you so much. Thank you everyone. And now that we have celebrated this, I would like to tell viewers few things, that we have come up with a set of questions. So I will be giving a mobile number. So you viewers, for the questions, whoever calls first and gives the right answer will be winning an amazing prize from the Renault family. And also, whoever is watching this show live right now, whoever comments and whoever gives and comes up with the best comment will also be given a wonderful and amazing gift. So stay tuned guys, shortly I will be coming up with the games, and kindly wait as you can win an amazing prize very soon. So before that, I'm sure you all are very excited to know more about the product. Hence we have with us Madhuri, who is going to give a product demo. So over to you, Madhuri.
Good evening, viewers. As you have seen here, we have launched the all-new Renault Tribum AMT. So this is Renault. It is a French-based manufacturing company which was launched in the year 1899. This is the all-new product which is launched last year, and now we have come up with the AMT, that is automated manual transmission. As you all can see, this is the top end, that is RXT variant, and we have come up with the beautiful robust design here, and we have got a triple-edged chrome grille as well with the projector headlights, which gives you the better views during the night times. And it has also got the DRL's LED lights over here, which gives you the premium look to the vehicle. As you all can see, this is a top end, and it has got the skid plates even in the front and rear side, which gives you the SUV feeling to the car. Coming to the side of the vehicle, you have got the 15-inch flex wheels. Here you can see 15-inch flex wheels, and this vehicle is particularly designed in the sub 4 meter, where you have got a beautifully 7-seater cabin space, and also this has got a 4 different Pride mode, camp mode, surf mode and life mode, where you can adjust the seating according to the way you how many passengers are there. And this vehicle, as to the Indian roads, you require plenty of ground clearance. So also you have got 182 mm ground clearance over here, so you can drive off-road also, so you don't have to worry about the bumpiness on the road. So coming to the side of the vehicle, so inside the car you can see many features. To visit, you can come to the showroom and also have the feel of the drive. So you have a 18-inch touchscreen system inside the vehicle. You have push button start with smart key options, which gives you the the range of driving. Also you have got the 2 unit of AC. So what happens in other vehicles, you will be having a single unit of AC. When you have the double unit of AC, you can maximize the cooling inside the car. Also in this vehicle, one important thing is you have 1 liter peppy engine, that is energy engine, where you are getting the 72 bhp of power, even 96 Newton meter of torque. So you don't have to worry about the jerk, the power is really good, it's pretty good. And even in AMT, it is a 5-speed transmission, so you don't have to worry about the power or something, it is pretty good. So I can show you the behind the car. So as you all can see, the rear side of the car, you have eagle beak tail lamps, which gives you the sophisticated looks to the vehicle. Also it has got the rear sensors and rear cameras, where in case when you take a reverse, you will have a vision on the touchscreen system, so it will be very easy to take a reverse. So as I have told that time, there is different modes, Tribe mode, life mode. This vehicle is now in Tribe mode, where you can see 7-seater configuration. It is very easy to remove the seats as well, you can hand it easily. So it is very easily, you can take it. So this way you can remove the seats. So if I remove all back seats, I can make it in a life mode, that is 5-seaters, where you have plenty of boot space, 625 liters of boot space you will get in a 5-seater. So as I have told, it is a smart key option. So what happens is, you don't have to take the key from your pocket, you just have to carry your keys in the pocket or bag. So it will be very easy for the drivers. So as you all can see, so this feature is electrical adjustable mirror, and 4-door power window is also available. So it is for the driver convenience. So as you all can see here in the interior of the car, so this system has got 8-inch touchscreen system, and also there is a LED digital cluster, which gives you the premium look to the vehicle. So this is the AMT, you can see the this one gear shift. So usually in quid we have got the rotary dial shift. Here it is a gear shift actually. So in vehicle, so have as you have seen the Tribum. So next is you have to feel the drive of the vehicle. So you can come and take the test drive. So you can feel the drive, you can feel the ground clearance, you can feel the power, you can feel the braking system. So this has got as to the BS6 compliance, you have got a ABS with EBD. All these features is standard across all the variants, even dual airbag is standard. So you can see the this Tribum, it's starting from 4.99 pricing, and you have got 5 different colors in this. So this is metal mustard color, and also there is fiery red, ice cool white, sleek silver, and blue color. So these are the different colors, and so yeah, if you want to take a drive, you can. If you want to feel the vehicle, you can come and visit our showroom. Thank you.
So hello viewers, we are back. As I told you all that we have already launched, and now that you have already seen the product demo, I am sure you must be wondering that when will we get the test drive. So let me tell you one thing, that we here in Remo are taking care of all the safety measures out there. So you all can definitely walk into the branch and definitely you will be given the test drive very soon. And as I told you all that you have a chance of winning an amazing prizes and gifts and goodies from Renault. This is the time, ladies and gentlemen. So before that, I would like to thank you all, as we have recently conducted few contests online, that is selfie with mom and Renault artistic kit and Renault cute couple. So definitely this is going really great. Thank you so much for all your support and your kind participation and active participation. We will promise you that we will be doing such competitions ahead and make our bonding remain the same. And ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? So let me give you a mobile number. So please do call on this number, and whoever answers the question first will be getting an amazing prize. Along with that, I also have told that whoever gives the best comment on our product Renault Tribum AMT will also be getting a prize. So make sure that if you are watching live, please do comment, and the best comment on this product will also be getting a prize. So let us start up. So first of all, take down the mobile number. So it is 7026550005. I shall repeat the mobile number 7026550005. So kindly take down the number, as I am going to ask you all the first question for the day, and the first question is, what is the starting price of Renault Tribum? I repeat, what is the starting price of Renault Tribum? So we are waiting for the call. Whoever calls first, you are going to get an amazing prize from our end. So let me move on to the second question. Meanwhile, we are waiting for the answers for the first question. So the second question goes like this: what is the tagline of Renault? I repeat, what is the tagline of Renault? And the third question is, what is the color of the car displayed here? I mean the official color of the car displayed right in front of all the viewers over here. Third question is, what is the color of the car out here? And let me move on to the fourth question. How many color options are available in Renault Tribum? The fourth question is, how many color options are available in Renault Tribum? And the fifth question, how many seats are available in Renault Tribum? Let me repeat the question. How many seats are available in Renault Tribum? And the sixth question and the last question is, how many airbags are there in RXZ variant of Renault Tribum? I repeat the question. How many airbags are there in RXZ variant of Renault Tribum? So we are waiting for the answers, ladies and gentlemen, and all the viewers out there. Whoever gives the answers first will also be getting an amazing gift, and along with which, as I told you all, whoever gives the best comment will also be getting the amazing prize and gifts all on your way. Ladies and gentlemen, I am sure these days everybody are very much creative. So here are some contests for the creative people out there. So whoever comes up with a unique and creative ideas about the Renault cars, it might be painting, it might be a model, it might be anything. You are supposed to post it in our page, and the best creative outcome will be given a good prize. I repeat, the best creative outcome will also be given a very amazing prizes. So ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you once again that whoever answers the question first will be getting an exciting prize. We are very much excited to know who the winner is. So stay tuned, ladies and gentlemen, and we will get back to you who the winner is of all these questions. once again I would like to repeat the questions. The first question is, what is the starting price of Renault Tribum? The first question is, what is the starting price of Renault Tribum? And the second question is, what is the tagline of Renault? The second question is, what is the tagline of Renault? And the third question, what is the color of the car which is displayed here? I mean the official color of the car which is displayed here is the third question. And the fourth question is, how many color options are available in Renault Tribum? I repeat, how many color options are available in Renault Tribum? And the fifth question, I repeat once again, how many seats are available in the Renault Tribum? And the sixth question, how many airbags are there in RXZ variant of Renault Tribum? So kindly hurry up, and we are waiting for the call, and kindly give the answer and win an amazing prize from the Renault. We have the winner of the question number 2. We already got a call. Let us see who the winner is. Alright, stay tuned as I will announce the winner very soon. So the question 2 was, what is the tagline of Renault? Name? Well, we have the winner of the fourth question. That the question was, how many color options are available in Renault Tribum? And the answer was 5. So there are 5 color options in Renault Tribum, and we have the winner with the name Roshni. So congratulations on winning. You can directly come into the branch and collect your prizes, and we will contact you on you winning the prize. Congratulations once again. We already got the claim of question number 4, that is how many color options are available in Renault Tribum, and the answer was 5 colors. We already got the winner, and congratulations Roshni. Thank you. First question, that is, what is the starting price of Renault Tribum? I repeat, the question was, what is the starting price of Renault Tribum? And the answer was rightly given by Sanjay Revankar. I repeat, the answer was 4.99 lakhs. What is the starting price of Renault Tribum? And the starting price is 4.99 lakhs. And the answer was given by Sanjay Revankar, and congratulations, and definitely you will be winning an amazing prize and goodies from Renault. Congratulations Sanjay. And yes, we have the winner of 5th question, that is, how many seats are available in Renault Tribum? Alright, and simple, it is 7 seats. And the winner of this question is Sandhya Deepa. Congratulations Sandhya Deepa. You can come down to the branch and we will contact you on your prize. Definitely you are going to get a wonderful, amazing prize with the goodies from our end, and congratulations on you winning the prize for the question number 5. How many seats are available in Renault Tribum? And you rightly answered it, 7 seats. Congratulations. Meanwhile, as I already told you all, kindly do comment. Whoever gives the best comment for the brand new car will be winning an amazing and exciting gifts from our end as well. So kindly do comment. Question number 6. So the question number 6 was, how many airbags are there in RXZ variant of Renault Tribal? I asked the question, how many airbags are there in RXZ variant of Renault Tribal? And the answer, right answer is, it is 4 airbags, and we have the winner who rightly answered this question, and the winner name is Mr. Anup. Congratulations Anup on winning this prize. Meanwhile, I request all the viewers who is watching our show live, kindly do comment, and you will also be getting a chance of winning a prize. And also we are coming up with a contest. Whoever is coming up with the creative ideas on the Renault cars, you can post it. You will also be getting an amazing gifts from our end. And now we have the winner of the second question, that is question number 2. A very easy question though. What is the tagline of Renault? And it is the passion for life. So we have the winner of this question, and the name is Raksha. So congratulations Raksha, as you win a prize on you mentioning the tagline of Renault, that is passion for life. Congratulations. So here we are done with all the questions, and congratulations to all the winners, whoever has given the right answer. Thank you so much for your support, and thank you so much for viewing our show. And definitely you all can safely walk into the brand. You can have a test drive of this brand new car, and definitely you all can have a look of this. And thank you so much for your support. May you keep supporting us always. Renault Inox Trading Private Limited, thank you so much all the viewers out there once again.